Hello guys, welcome back to Smart GKK YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss famous Indian personalities and their nicknames. Part 1. Who is known as the Frontier Gandhi of India? Answer: Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who is known as the Bengal Kesari of India? Answer: Ashutosh Mukherjee. Who is known as the Maratha Lion of India? Answer: Tanaji Malusare. Who is known as the Lokmanya of India? Answer: Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as the Shaheed-e-Azam of India? Answer: Bhagat Singh. Who is known as the Anna of India? Answer: Conjeevaram Natarajan Annadurai. Who is known as the Deshbandhu of India? Answer: Chittaranjan Das. Who is known as the Rajaji of India? Answer: Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Who is known as the Indian Machiavelli? Answer: Chanakya. Who is known as the Young Turk of India? Answer: Chandrasekhar. Who is known as the Tao of India? Answer: Chaudhary Devi Lal. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Who is known as the grandfather of Indian cinema? Answer: Dadasaheb Phalke. Who is known as the hockey wizard of India? Answer: Dhyan Chand. Who is known as the Desh Ratna of India? Answer: Rajendra Prasad. If you are liking my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Who is known as Babuji of India? Answer: Jagjeevan Ram. Who is known as Chacha of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as the Lok Nayak of India? Answer: Jai Prakash Narayan. Who is known as the Shakespeare of India? Answer: Kalidas. Who is known as the Haryana Hurricane? Answer: Kapil Dev. Who is known as the Man of Peace? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is known as the Punjab Kesari? Answer: Lala Lajpat Rai. Who is known as the Swar Kokila of India? Answer: Lata Mangeshkar. Who is known as the Mahamana of India? Answer: Madan Mohan Malviya. Who is known as the Sparrow of India? Answer: Major General Rajinder Singh. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Answer: Milkha Singh. Who is known as the Saint of Sabarmati? Answer: Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Who is known as the Saint of Gutters? Answer: Mother Teresa. Who is known as the Pioli Express of India? Answer: P.T. Usha. Thanks guys for watching the video. Have a good day.